Hello and good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Today's session is about a question that I received from one of my subscribers, and the question was, whenever I zoom into Excel, my numbers get into hashtag, hashtag, hashtag. So how to avoid this situation? You want to see how it looks like. So I'm going to share my Excel version here. As you can see on the screen, there are a lot of numbers and I'm trying to zoom in now. And the moment I zoom in, I see only hashtags, no numbers. So how to avoid this situation? Very simple. I will select this data, press Control 1. Control 1 will give me the format cell. You must have learned in one of my previous videos as well. So in this Control 1, you will find multiple tabs, and the tab of alignment is the one you need to look for. At alignment, you see here shrink to fit. Click on the shrink to fit and press OK. Now it has been applied. Shrink to fit has been applied on your cells, which means if you go zoom in, it will not go into number format or hashtag format. Easy and quick, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed it, fellas. Stay tuned with me for my future videos, and I look forward to speak to you again. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself. Ta-da. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regularly notifications from my new videos.